Hello, morning, dear children. Tomorrow, November 14th, all Indians are celebrating Children's Day all over India. This is the happy birthday of our late Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. He was very fond of with the children. He always create time to spend among children. In those days, he was a very busy Prime Minister, although he created special time to chit-chat with the children. Nehru used to say, children are the budding flowers of the nation. We should give more attention and make love, caring. They are most important. They are the visible angels of the earth. It's a fact. Every children being born with unlimited potential are very intelligent. So parents and teachers and the community should understand their desire, ambition. Every child being born with certain good qualities. No one has been born with good qualities. They should develop on him or develop on her. We want more intelligent men and women. So these budding flowers, these children, are the most important asset of our country. Should be very careful dealing and caring, give good education, loving, caring, teach children how to respect others, how to love others. These are most important from the right beginning. Before formative years, the children should understand what is the life. The parents should teach them the right beginning, apart from homework and other things, mannerism, how to respect elders, how to respect the nation's traffic rules, how to respect others, how to, while walking on the street, don't spit on the road. So many mannerism parents and teachers should teach them because they are most important. Today's children below 10 years or below 15 years, after so many years, they become the matured person. From this, they may be the Prime Minister of India. From this, they may be the President of India. They may be the highest office. They may be the RBI governor. They may be the other important personality. So, from the right beginning, parents should encourage them, love them, give some useful books to read. Don't shout. They want only tender care, love from parents and teachers. Teachers should not shout and fire the children. They are tender minds. They are carefree. Shouting and firing, they become upset. Their brain completely becomes standstill. They become useless. So it is most important. Protect every child. Every child is a property, asset of the nation. I have written a simple poem about children some years back. I am going to read it now. Please take care. Heading, O children. O my children, you are the offspring of God. You are from the home of God. Your parents are the visible God on this earth. Your hands should work for the best. Your tongue should flow with the sweet words. Be honest and sincere by following path of truth. Be a good doctor for sick and needy. Be a patriot for our motherland. Be an engineer for our nation's progress. Be a soldier for our nation's defense. Be disciplined and generous with everyone. Be kind to all and fair to none. Never allow negative thoughts in your brain. Never hate and hurt others with words or action. Love everyone and hate no one. Be bravely and die bravely. Wherein man, you are the building flowers of our nation. Be the right star, the butterfly. May God, all of you, children, tomorrow we can see on November 14th, millions of children will jump with joy. Now we are passing through a rush ready to Corona. Even though children cannot go out, so parents should arrange some special room or place to enjoy this to remember this great leader, fond memory of our late Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. He offered him a sweet words for the departed soul in this auspicious day. Have a nice day.